In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced Features. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Dual Messenger. Finally, to clone one of your apps, click on grey switcher next to one of the available ones. Hit Install in the pop-up. Select Confirm in Disclaimer 1, and then if you want to use a separate contact list, use this switcher at the top. But if you don't, select Next, tap on OK in the pop-up, and wherever you decided, wait for your app to clone. As you can see, mine was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, go back to the same settings, tap on the No Blue switcher next to your app and hit Uninstall. Then wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!